Hello, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Bettis. So, this week we will be learning about the physical characteristics of animals, or also known as animal adaptations. Now, when we think of the physical characteristics of animals, we are focusing on how the animal's specific body parts will help it to meet its basic needs. Now, remember, we've already talked about basic needs of animals, which are uh, food, water, air, and shelter. So, how do these body parts help the animals to survive in its environment? That is what we're going to be focusing on today. So, let's look at some animals, and we're going to be looking again at their physical characteristics. Let's look at the eagle first. Now, look at the body parts of the eagle. We have its wings. What are the wings used for? They use their wings to fly. The talons on an eagle, they're used to grab prey. The sharp beak on the eagle is used to grab and cut its prey. Of course, that is helping the eagle to be able to eat its food. So all of these body parts help the eagle to meet its basic needs. The next animal that we have here is a penguin. Now let's look at the body parts for the penguin. It has blubber, and blubber is also known as the fatty layer inside of the penguin. That blubber helps to keep the penguin warm because we all know that the penguins live in cold environments. So that blubber helps to keep them warm, let's say in the winter or in its cold environment. The webbed feet on a penguin, they use their webbed feet to swim. Its beak is used to catch prey, to be able to catch its food. It has flippers. Now the flippers on the penguin are also used to swim. The next animal here we have is an elephant. Now let's think about the important body parts of an elephant. For example, the trunk. The trunk is used to eat food and to be able to help the elephant drink its water as well. The elephant has big ears. That body part is used to hear, of course, and also to help keep and regulate it to keep cool. It uses its tusks. These are the tusks. It's used in battle if needed. They're sharp and pointy. And then the last animal we have here is the giraffe. Now the giraffe has its own specific interesting body parts. It has a very long neck. The long neck helps it to eat leaves on very tall trees. It also has very long legs. Those legs are also helpful in enabling the giraffe to be able to reach its food, its leaves on tall trees. And it also is helpful in running. The giraffe also has spots. The spots on its body help it to blend in its environment. That's it's using its coloration to help it camouflage. We will be talking more about coloration later this week. All right, so here are some different physical characteristics of these animals, its specific body parts and their function, how it helps them to meet their basic needs. So one more thing we're going to do, we're just going to very quickly once again look at some more physical adaptations or characteristics. And let's see what these are. A hard shell to protect a soft body. Which animal do you think would use a hard shell to protect its soft body? I'm kind of thinking of a turtle. How about you? Did that come to mind? A turtle has a hard shell to protect its soft body. How about this physical adaptation? Sharp claws used for hunting prey. Well, we just saw a picture of an eagle. We know that it uses its claws or talons to help it be able to get its prey. A bird's sharp beak helps it to eat food. We talked about that also. Thick fur used to stay warm. There's several animals that have thick fur to help it stay warm, like a bear. Bears have thick fur to help them stay warm in the cold weather. And we also talked about animals that have webbed feet to help with swimming. So these are just additional physical adaptations of animals. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and we'll see you later.